Welcome to State Scoop TV. I'm Jake Williams. I'm here with Yessica Jones. She's the director of the Arkansas Department of Information Systems and the Chief Technology Officer for the state. Jessica, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Thank you.
I'm doing well, thanks for being here. So we are here at the NASCIO Midyear Conference, day 2.
Yes.
At this conference, you talk about all things priorities, all things technologies. What are your main priorities and focuses for the year ahead, and how have they changed over the last year or so?
Well, my main priorities, my top priority right now is to complete my K-12 broadband upgrade project, which, by the way, it won one of your State Scoop Awards, so thank you very much. We're very honored and excited about it. Out of the 276 school districts, we completed 238. So we think we're on track to complete by July 1st. My second big priority is my data center consolidation. So we are on this, phase 1 of our project. We are going to be doing an assessment of the IT infrastructure across state agencies, executive agencies only. And we're hoping to gain some understanding of the cost analysis of our current infrastructure statewide, as well as a gap analysis between current state, future state as well, and much more information that will help us for the decision-making process.
That's great.
Yeah.
You want to do more?
Well, yeah. I mean, I have more. Last year we met, and I was the deputy, and now as a director, I want to focus or direct my attention to customer service. I think that's very important. And what I've been doing, I've been meeting one-on-one with other agency directors just to kind of get an understanding of how are we doing as far as the services that we provide, and that they understand that, to me, customer service is very, very important, and I want to make sure that they're taken care of.
That's great. So, with a lot of these projects that you're talking about, whether it be data center consolidation or the public school network, there's a lot of planning and visioning that goes into it. So tell me about your enterprise vision process, and how are you planning on and executing these big projects?
Well, that's a great question. And actually, that with any enterprise project, effective planning on prioritizing the projects that we are pursuing based on the governors and our strategic vision. I think that's very key. And then, and of course, an initial and ongoing support from our sponsors, as well as collaboration and cooperation from stakeholders. Also effective governance and project oversight. I think those are key elements for successful project outcomes.
Yeah, absolutely. And at conferences like these, and really across the state IT community, we're kind of guilty of using buzzwords a lot.
Yes.
What's the biggest buzzword that you find yourself getting tired of, and how are you really channeling the ideas that word represents into some action in Arkansas?
Well, there's many different words, right? But I would think cloud. You hear all the vendors, all the service models that they offer is just cloud services. And DIS, we've been offering private cloud services for many years. We offer infrastructure as a service or platform as a service.
Yeah, and with the public school network, with the data center consolidation, and as you're settling into your role as director, there's a lot of collaboration, a lot of talks with outside agencies. How are you working to collaborate outside the boundaries of DIS, and what have some of the challenges been that have come along with it?
Right. Well, I think the key thing right here is communication. And one clear example was with our cybersecurity risk assessment, because that required a lot of cooperation from outside of DIS boundaries. So what we've, because we require for the agencies to allow us to go on site to check out their cybersecurity environment. We ask the agencies to allow us to install an endpoint security system. So that required a lot of trust and confidence in our agency. So I think a lot of communication, that's key for trying to get that enterprise.
And so I've talked to you and I've talked to the folks in Arkansas about emerging technology. How is emerging technology really changing the way that your state solves problems and delivers services?
Well, I think with any emerging technology, it allows us to tackle problems and also to provide services in ways that benefit the citizens of Arkansas.
That's great. Yessica, thanks for being with us.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
your thoughts.
Thank you.
For more about what Yessica Jones is up to in the great state of Arkansas, check out statescoop.com and subscribe to the Daily Scoop newsletter. Again, I'm Jake Williams, the Manager of Strategic Initiatives for State Scoop, and this is Yessica Jones, the Chief Technology Officer for the state of Arkansas. Thanks for watching.